Hello everyone, my name is Laiba Masood and my team members are Muhammad Hamza and Hanan Raza. Nowadays, with the rapid development of information and technology, surveillance videos has been widely used in public such as malls, highways, banks, etc. And a large amount of abnormal activities has been recognized and analyzed in video data. The identification of anomalous incidents such as traffic accidents, robberies, or illegal activities is a vital role of video surveillance. Traffic accidents and violence has become one of the leading cause of injuries and death around the globe. Early detection of such activities is a big challenge. Mostly delayed in reporting of traffic accidents lead to late arriving of ambulance or help from the concerned authorities. This delay hangs the life of patient and can cause loss of life. It is quite visible in the chart the increased rate of accident and violence activities. We can reduce these casualties by using artificial intelligence and deep learning model and implement automated safety system using surveillance cameras. So now coming toward the quantifiable outcomes, first let's answer what exactly the project will produce. So answer is the safety management system with robust response management system. Academic worth include the convergence and acquaintance of deep learning algorithms like convolutional neural network. This technique is valuable in research and implementation through learning aspects. As far as commercial worth is concerned, deep learning based anomaly detecting systems are attracting much attention in the market as various factors make them more accurate than the sensor based system. The response time of deep learning based system is very fast and highly accurate. The problem which grounds social and economic mutilation in society and have become a source of apprehension for society. We as a member of society have a belief that it is our right to focalize on the situation and devise an effective system to inhibit the commencement of lassitude and diminish the number of anomalous activities. Here mention the different techniques of deep learning for accident and violence detection that were used in the past. So now coming toward the brief system diagram of our project. Basically we divided our project into three major parts: pre-processing, anomaly detection, and the last one is response generation and transmission. In the anomaly detecting process, first of all, we divide a whole video into segments and frames, and using convolutional neural network, we extract the features of videos and lastly detect the anomalous activities from frame. If violence or accident is detected, then a quick alarm is generated and transmitted to nearest concerned authorities. This slide shows the basic steps and decisions that we have taken during the life cycle of our project, and surely these steps will be discussed one by one later on. Starting with the pre-processing, we have done image segmentation. Image segmentation is the process of partitioning a digital image into a multiple region and then extracting meaningful information. We have done image segmentation using two techniques, K-means and Gaussian mixture model. K-means is a hard assignment of cluster which is good when data points are treated individually, but there is a limitation when data points overlap. To overcome this problem, we use Gaussian mixture model. This slide shows the results of K-means. While this slide shows the results of Gaussian mixture model.
CNN, convolutional neural network, and it is a class of deep neural network which is mostly used for image classification. CNN constitutes of different layers, including input layer, output layer, with multiple hidden layers. Hidden layer is further categorized as convolutional layer, max pooling layer, ReLU activation layer, and fully connected layer. All this process initiates with firstly image being loaded as input. Convolution is performed on input and it extracts its features. This is done in convolutional layer. Secondly, max pooling is performed in the max pooling layer to concise the size of an input image. Feature map passes it to the ReLU activation layer. A ReLU function is applied on each point in the feature map without negative value. At the end, it comes to fully connected layer. The matrix is flattened into column vector for further classification. Transfer learning generally refers to a process where a model trained on one problem is used in some way on a second related problem. Transfer learning is flexible, allowing the use of pre-trained models directly as feature extraction. Transfer learning has a benefit of decreasing the training time for a neural network model and can result in low generalization error. So, therefore, after studying through literature review, gathering data, and image segmentation, we went for transfer learning approach and chose shortlisted two CNN models. We shortlisted YOLO v3 and Inception v3 and started training our models on these datasets. We defined three scenarios: accident, violence, and neutral. Neutral is a scenario where neither traffic accident nor violence incident is detected. Inception v3 is widely used image recognition model on GoogleNet, which has achieved 80% accuracy on the ImageNet dataset. The model is itself made up of symmetric and asymmetric building blocks, including convolutional, average pooling, max pooling, dropouts, and fully connected layers. Before the model can be used to recognize an image, it must be trained. This is done by a supervised learning using a large set of labeled images. As we are detecting two scenarios, that is violence incident and traffic accident in our models. So let's look at the results. First of all, this is violence result. Image can be shown as two people fighting with each other, and violence score is 0.06096. This is the probability scores. Neutral score is 0.02 and accident is 0.01. The one with the highest score is detected. So as we can see that score is highest is 0.96. So this means that 96% probability is there of recognizing violence incident is detected. So this model is giving an accuracy of 96% in this scenario. Similarly, this is a result of traffic accident. Accident score is 0.91 or 495, neutral is 0.056 and violence is 0.02. So as I just mentioned that one with the high score is detected. So as you can see that almost 91.5% is the accuracy of detecting a traffic accident. So therefore traffic accident is detected.
YOLO v3 is a real-time object detection algorithm that uses a fully convolution network along with the darknet backbone which performs feature extraction. It uses 53 layers of CNN, 53 layers for detection purposes, a total of 106 layers. No pooling layer, instead it uses convolution layer which prevents the loss of low-level features. YOLO v3 applies kernels at 3 layers, 82, 94 and 106 for object detection as shown in this figure. This is the result of our model using images. Now we will show you the result of the model on videos and real time respectively.
So this is the violence result of violence incident detection. The video was set to run at the frame per second, which is 2.06 frame per second. And here is first time, and there is violence incident being detected. This is the result of traffic accident detection using YOLO v3 module. The video was set to run at 1.6 frames per second, as we can see in this video. So traffic accident is detected and probability score is 0.93. This means that 93% probability is detecting a traffic accident.
We have created response system via email using SMTP. SMTP is known as Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is an application that is used to send and receive outgoing emails between sender and receiver. When email is sent, it is transferred over internet using SMTP. Now we will show you the result of our response management system.
And this is the result of response being generated as soon as the traffic accident is detected. Video was set to run at 2.04 frames per second. Here traffic accident is detected and immediately an email is generated and sent to the given email, and we can see that in the details of the email and their exact coordinates where the traffic accident is just happened.
We have done our work according to the given chart. We are working in collaboration with the Argus Security System. Our co-supervisor, Mr. Sharik Javed, is attached with the company. According to the deadline, we have completed our project. Now we will start our report writing. These are the references of the paper which we have studied in the literature survey.